Good morning. So it's roughly 6 a.m. in my household, and the old man's been up for an hour and 20 minutes staring at this thing, and I need some third gen advice. So here I have two new fan plugs for the fan, and there's a reason. It stopped working at the end of last year, but at the beginning of last year, I had discovered that I had a fan issue, and I just tried to pretend I didn't see that. So anyway, the air conditioning was removed out of this car. They wired both fans to come on at 160. I believe this is the gauge sensor, the sensor right here for the fans to come on. I'm not positive. Somebody can help me out. And excuse the breathing. Okay. So now that I got the inhaler up in there, excuse me for that. So anyway, my question and my point I want to show everybody is I need help. Both these fans come into this wire. They go up to here. Oh yeah, we forgot to show you what I was pretending I wasn't going to see last year. They come up to here, and right here, you have a red and black wire, and then you have another red and black wire that's cut off and joined with a black wire that's in there. Not real sure what that's about, but this is the ones that go directly to the fan. This is how they bypassed it. They went snip, snip, and I'm trying to figure this out. Now, I mean, I pretty much got it figured out, but okay, so the one that they bypassed, I'm going to show you what I tried to pretend I didn't see last year. I'm sure that's fine. That'll, you know. So this is the one that was bypassed when I bought the car. And I didn't realize it. It was just down here, tucked in behind the stuff I took out. But anyway, you can see that the red and black one for this is actually cut, taken out of that plug, cut, wired, and sent to this one, which is a little bit better. And then the red and black for this one was just cut right here. So they bypassed this one by taking the red and black one and putting it into this one and just running off one relay for both fans. I'm sure that's fine. And then I'm not real sure what the hell this is right here. Anyway, this is why I'm asking a third gener. I actually last year had them working, but when I pulled the car in October, I noticed that it overheated real hot. I mean, it never goes up to 200. It was almost up to 200, so that's hot for this car. So the fans weren't working, and I tested them out 2 or 3 times, and sure enough, they weren't working. So I have new relays and I have new plugs. Third geners and mechanics, should I rewire those in here like this? I mean, with some proper, stuff. Or is there a better way? Thank you and good morning. And yeah, the wife's probably sitting in there saying, is he really at this already? But, that's what we do, right? Thanks, fellas and fellettes. Have a good day.